Hey guys, thanks for joining in. So I wanted to go ahead and do a video on tires. I've gone through a bunch of tires myself, different brands, different size, and going up every size of tire will cause some changes to your vehicle, and some of that includes rubbing on your vehicle. So a lot of you guys are getting rubbing when you're doing a full turn, or even at a reverse turn. That's usually where I get some rubbing. So the reverse turn is going to cause you to scratch, and you're going to be needing some cutting onto your wheel well, along with a body mount chop. So I'll show you a bit about the tire, my current setup, and some of the things that I've done to make sure that I'm not getting any rubbing. So in regards to tire size, these are 285 70 17s, also known as 33s. And of course, these are on the Toyota TRD wheels. I just love the way they look, but this is pretty much how it sits. I've previously to the Ridge Grapplers, the Nitto Ridge Grapplers, I had the Nitto Terras. They weren't as aggressive. They did last me a longer bit on the road before I had to replace the tires. But overall, I love the way the Ridge Grappler looks. I think it's a lot more aggressive, and it's handled in the snow a lot better, in my opinion. And I did have to do a body mount chop in order for this to sit and not rub. There's the chop. I also had to grind off some of this plastic piece right here. And that's how she's sitting right now. Now I also have 1.25 inch spacers from spidertrax. That's why the stance is a little bit flared out. I love the beefier look. All right guys, hope you guys liked the video. Leave me any comments if you guys have any questions.